If you are seeing an unsupported browser message while trying to open a website in Google Chrome, don't worry. This is a common issue and usually happens because Chrome is outdated, or certain browser settings are causing problems, or a website no longer supports older browser versions. The good news is that most users can fix this problem in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical knowledge. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to fix the unsupported browser issue in Google Chrome in 2026 step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, look at the top right corner and click on the three dots. A menu will appear on your screen. From that menu, move your cursor over Help and then click on About Google Chrome. This page automatically checks whether your browser is updated to the latest version. If Chrome finds an update, it will start downloading automatically. Wait for the update process to finish completely. Once it is done, click the Relaunch button to restart Chrome with the newest version installed. Many unsupported browser errors disappear immediately after updating because websites often require the latest browser features and security updates. After Chrome restarts, try opening the same website again. If the error still appears, the next step is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted browser data can sometimes confuse websites and cause compatibility problems. To clear cache and cookies, click the three dots again and open Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. Then select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. Set the time range to All Time and click Clear Data. This may sign you out of some websites, but it often fixes loading and compatibility issues. Now, let's check your browser extensions, because certain extensions can interfere with websites and make Chrome appear unsupported. Type Chrome//extensions into the address bar and press Enter. A list of installed extensions will appear. Temporarily disable all extensions by turning off the switches next to them. After disabling the extensions, restart Chrome and test the website again. If the website works correctly afterward, then one of your extensions was causing the problem. You can re-enable them one by one to find the exact extension responsible. Another important thing to check is whether JavaScript is enabled in Chrome. Some websites rely heavily on JavaScript and may display unsupported browser messages if it is disabled. Go to Chrome Settings, click Privacy and Security, then Site Settings, and look for JavaScript. Make sure it is allowed or enabled. If the problem still continues, try opening the website in Chrome Incognito mode. Press Ctrl-Shift-N on Windows or Command-Shift-N on Mac. Incognito mode disables most extensions and uses fresh browsing data, which can help identify whether the issue is related to settings or cached files. You should also make sure your operating system is updated. Very old versions of Windows or Mac OS may not fully support the newest Chrome features required by modern websites. Updating your computer can improve browser compatibility and security. In some cases, the issue may come directly from the website itself. Certain websites block older devices, unsupported operating systems, or modified browsers. If the site works on another device or browser, then the issue is likely related to your current system configuration. So that's the easiest way to fix the unsupported browser issue in Google Chrome in 2026. The main solutions are updating Chrome, clearing cache and cookies, disabling problematic extensions, checking JavaScript settings, and testing the website in incognito mode. Most users can solve the issue quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.